Okay, math time, and all geniuses required. Listen, I've got a math problem for you in a second. Right now we're in packet number 98 on the bottom of your listing and page 18. We have students who get this far. You're about 1/3 of the way through our math material already. The skills here will cover 3 to 6 of your Accuplacer questions. These are such foundational skills. I want to look at this problem right here. I didn't write the number of it down. It's number 15. But let's focus on how to do this. What you have in the equation here is the little key to it all, that denominator. In transposing, we're trying to find the value of x. That means I've got to get rid of the 3, I've got to get rid of the 8, and the denominator on the bottom is the key one here. Since that 8 is doing what operation? There's 4 operations math-wise, right? Add, subtract, multiply, and divide, right? Those are the 4 operations we deal with. Since this is dividing, we get rid of that 8 by doing what? There you go. That's right. The opposite is we multiply. But if I do it to this side of the equation right there, see that? I've got to do it to this side of the equation too. So there you go. 8, 8, goodbye. What do I have? 3 times x is what's left. Now, you notice how nicely I'm writing? You all can appreciate that, huh? You try this someday. Right? All right. Yep. All right. I can hear you. Calm down. What is 8 times 3? Nice. Good. There you go. Now, what's left to get rid of? I'm after x. Get rid of this. This is multiplying, so I've got to divide. Sure, this is the easy one. You know how to do that. You know the answer from here. And x equals 8. Now, if you can't figure that out, that's your problem. Now, do the rest of the problems on the transposing. The trickier problem is like number 17. I really want your skill on that one. I want your skill on number 19, and also to watch your skill on number 20. Those are the places I want you to develop where you make no mistake with the negative signs. I did the easy one is what I did. All right, next page, we'll see you. Okay, you've done a little bit of some harder problems on the previous page, on page number 18. This page is an insert from another source. We are changing our sources. It has a compilation of pretty easy problems. It's good, easy practice. You'll be moving unknowns. X is an unknown here. And on this side, you'll be moving them from both sides, and you'll be moving numbers. This is just basic transposing. I'm going to give you an example here. This is in column number C, the second row down. Walking through it, the key thing is to recognize you're going to move the 10x this direction, and you're going to move the number 5 to that direction. If the x is on this side, the number's on that side. Simple? I know. Right. By the way, let me give you a little math problem here. By the way, and this is math related, what has 12 legs and runs into everything? Sure, yeah. The 3 blind mice, 4 legs times 3, 12. That's what I wanted, that's what I was after. There you go. Runs into everything. Hey, get your eyes on this. Let's go back to this. That was free. That was free. Now the 10x, I've got to get rid of it. It's a plus 10x minus 10x, right? Cancels out. Uh-oh, look out. Talk about the 3 blind mice. You got a problem here with 1 here. I'm getting carried away. 15 take away 10. That's right. Now, move the 5. That's a plus 5. There you go, minus 5. That cancels out. Minus 5 there. So negative 5. What's a -5 and a -5? They tell me all the time that, Mr. Rhodes, that's a +20. I want to do business with you as a banker, okay? And I'm going to take $15 one day, and then I'm going to take $5 the next day, and you're going to say, I gave you 20, so you owe me 20. Yeah, figure it out. Treat it like money. They take 15 bucks, and they take 5 bucks. This is addition, and this is combining. That's a negative. You lost 20 bills. Come on, there you go. 20 bucks. Got it? So 5 times some number gives you a -20. Got that? There you go. And there's your 5 there. So x equals what? 5 into 20. That's a -20. Keep the negative sign, and there you go. X is a -4. Work your problems. The signs should be easy. Have some fun, easy page. This is drill time for you to get the skill by drill. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, no 3 blind mice this time. 3 times 4 is 12, remember. Okay, now, guys, the next page over is 79. What you have is the distributive, the distribution of this -3. This is the key to the whole thing. And by the way, this is in column C, over there toward the right of the page, down 2 problems. And so they're trying to, the other stuff's easy, you ought to be fine. Do the problems you need to build the skills you've got to have, where you don't make any mistakes. You'll be assigned these, check with your tutor, and do them as you need them. That -3 is the key, okay? Now, that -3 has to affect this parenthesis. And it affects both of those. The 9a is fine. 9a. Now, I'm sorry, it looks a little bit bad there. Let me do my best. There we go. What's a -3 times 2? Well, it's going to be negative because it's negative times positive. That's right, 6a. -3 times a -4. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, there you go. Negative times negative is a positive. Here we go. 12. Got that? That's what you have. Equals 15. Well, there you go. That's 15. Man, I was good at that a minute ago. I don't know what happened. We lost it somewhere in translation. What do you do now? Combine those two. What's 9a minus 6a? Yep. There's your 3a. Now that 12 needs to go over there. Plus 12? Yeah, you got that one? There you are. That cancels out. So 3a equals 12 minus, taken away from 15, which is 3. 3 times some number is 3. G. I wonder what that is. There you go. A equals uno. This is, yes, this doubles as a Spanish course. There you go. You guys can do the rest of them. Keep your eye on this. Okay. Yeah, you know I'm good. Yeah. We joke all the time about it. I'm terrible. You're great. Talk to you later.